So there's me on the floor. Hey guys, it's maiphammy here, and it is currently 7:49, and I don't know why the hell I woke up so goddamn early, because I didn't even wake up this early for school when I had school. I was supposed to wake up at 9, but it's 7.
Let's roll up some. Let's blow up some. To cash it off my friend. One night, one try. Hey, I'm good.
Yesterday night I was feeling motivated, like when do I ever feel motivated? And I decided that I was gonna actually wake up not at like 1 o'clock and do something with my life, you know? Right now it is 8:16, and on my schedule my schedule doesn't even start yet at 8 because I'm supposed to wake up at 9. Because I didn't believe in myself to wake up at 8, let alone 7:30. I'm supposed to get ready for the gym, which done, make a snack because I don't eat breakfast before I go to the gym, so I'm just gonna like make a snack, go to the gym, and come back and make breakfast. Okay, so I just made a snack, and my snack to you guys is probably a breakfast, but you know what? Your girl likes to eat. I just have some vanilla Greek yogurt with granola and blueberries, and then I just have an apple. My snacks are a lot of food because I don't like to be hungry. I kind of took a while to get ready because I kind of laid in bed and I debated on taking a nap because I'm actually so tired. You know what? I'm not gonna take a nap because I know if I take a nap, I'm never waking up. It is 10:19 now, and I'm gonna go home. I just worked out. It wasn't that good, but that's fine. I didn't record me doing anything else other than abs because like there was an awkward amount of people in the gym, so I wasn't trying to do that. But then I went downstairs and I played basketball. Holy shit, I realized how bad I am at basketball now. If you guys thought I was bad before, holy crap. I just spilled it. I'm home now, and I'm gonna make breakfast. I'm supposed to make breakfast at like 11:30ish, but it is 10:46 right now. So yeah, I made a schedule yesterday night before I went to bed because, you know, I actually wanted to do something instead of sit in my bed. I'm gonna make breakfast, and then when I eat and stuff like that, I'm gonna make a video thumbnail because I have a video that I'm gonna upload today. I made some hash browns yesterday, so I'm gonna cook that up. So I just made breakfast. I have 2 eggs, 2 pieces of bacon, and some hash browns that I made yesterday that I put in the freezer and then I just reheated. And right now I'm making a thumbnail. I'm not really sure how I want my thumbnails, so I just uploaded the video, and turn on my post notifications if you guys haven't already, because when I post a video, usually spend like 10 minutes after I post the video replying to comments. I've literally just been sitting in bed on my phone. Oh shit, okay, I had a highlighter and I opened it on my pillow, and I'm not about to go get new pillowcases, so that's why it's pink. But like I've been laying in my bed for like 30 minutes now just on my phone. Good thing I woke up early because like I have time to do that, you know, on my schedule. I didn't schedule it and procrastinating, but we have time for that. Now 12:17, and at 12:20 on my schedule, I'm supposed to be cleaning my house, so I'm gonna do that. Oh my god, okay, this is like a cleaning my room video, but like not a cleaning my room video, you know? You're cooler than me, and you never say hey or remember my name, and it's probably cause you think you're cooler than me. So classic, come through with that magic. I love this shirt. It's the Stony one. This is such an underrated Post Malone song. I wanna go up there, and I don't ever wanna come down. I wanna see what's up there. So our landlord's coming in like 2 hours because our drain needs to be fixed, and then also I told you guys that my door doesn't lock and it's like broken, so he's gonna fix that so that I don't get kidnapped. And also I have like spots on my face now because like no cute boy is gonna see me, so like I'm gonna try to fix my acne while I can. So I put all the trash like all in one big trash bag, and I'll take that out later, but like I'm gonna clean my kitchen now because our landlord's coming, and I don't want him to think that we're messy, even though I have not really cleaned since my brownie video. So the countertops are absolutely fucking disgusting, so we're gonna do that. I'm gonna do the dishes first, and I like vlog myself doing the dishes way too often, but you know what, deal with it.
Did you know you're on fire? Did you know that you're beautiful? Did you know you got me fucked up? How do you do
Oh, I love this song. Look, this is the knife I used to cut brownies.
Habits of my heart, I can't say no.
Is it just an Asian thing? Because we use our dishwashers as drying rack. Some Justin Bieber up in here.
As long as you love me, I'm under pressure. Ooh, I fall apart. Tattoo my car.
This gave me an idea. I feel like I should film a cleaning my house video instead of cleaning my room, since now like I have a whole house to myself. Kitchen's looking kind of clean. I don't know, I'm trying. So I didn't really vlog it, but like I kind of cleaned up my room and kind of put things in new places. So yeah, I still don't have a bed frame. And now I have the iMac in there. And then I also washed my bedding and everything. And now like the PS4 and everything isn't in front. I just like put it back there, also with the soundbar and then my Alexa. And then I moved the mirror here because it used to be there, but I put it here now. So I also changed because I think I'm gonna go to the outdoor pool with Sarah because it's like 28 outside right now. It's pretty hot. It's probably gonna tan and stuff like that. But I'm just wearing this tube top from Garage, and then these shorts are also from Garage. I'll link them down in the description box below. So there's me on the floor. But the person came and he fixed my door. So like, look at this, guys. It actually closes. Now you can't come kidnap me. Yo, so like on the walk here, we just found this like circle. And like on the outside, it's not clear, it's mirrors, so you can't see on the inside. We're at the outdoor pool right now, and it has all that sand. Yeah, and then the pool doesn't have chlorine or anything. It's like self-cleaning and stuff like that, and they have plants to clean it, bacteria. But I'm here with Sarah. Hello. And like the swimsuits from a Zappel, so use the code maiphammy with 2 M's to get whatever % off your thing. Where's yours from?
Simon's and a Lululemon.
Yeah, that's my Adidas hat that I got from Zoomies. So this is what it looks like, and there's a beach volleyball court, so maybe we'll play later if we're not lazy, but there's like people playing right now, so. We didn't end up playing beach volleyball, but we just tanned. But like, hopefully I tan. It takes me like 2 days for my tan to show up. I'll update you guys on that, but it's like 5 o'clock right now. We're gonna walk back to my apartment, and then we're gonna go to a vegan cafe called the Moth Cafe. As you guys can see, this water isn't clear, and the reason why is because it's like natural water, so it doesn't have chlorine in it, and this is what cleans it. It's just like the bacteria and like plants and shit. This is called the Borden Park Pool, and it has sand, and it's just like very pretty.
It's not boring.
It's not boring yet, and they have good music going. We got home now, and then we changed. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm wearing. This bodysuit's from Brandy Melville. I'll link it down below, and then these shorts are from Garage, as always.
Ooh, I'm getting followers from you.
My spam account story. Oh yeah, I'll insert my spam account story right here. And also, like, I tanned quite a bitch wear bit. Like, I'm not wearing a bra right now because I don't care, but like, holy crap, I tanned. My underwear tans are even worse. Like, ugh, I can't talk. My underwear tans are even more prominent. We're gonna go to Cafe. Oh my god, English, please. I think I'm gonna wear these. So we're here waiting at the bus stop because, oh my god, do you guys see this? I'm sweating so hard. It's plus 28. I've told you guys this many times. And it's because we were literally sprinting because we thought we'd miss a bus, but turns out it was like 17 minutes after. So now we're here waiting. We have another 10 minutes to go. We're here at the Moth Cafe. It's like really cute outside because there's like vines and stuff. This place is so cute. There's like vines and we're sitting outside, and like their waters are in cute mason jars. Sarah just got this
Peanut butter cacao.
and we just took some cute Instagram pictures, and we're gonna take more once I get my food. I just got the spaghetti, and this is avocado toast, but like this is also a vegan place because Sarah's vegan, and then she just got lemon vermicelli, and this looks so good and I'm excited. I'm really impressed with the spaghetti. It's kind of spicy, and like I'm a little bitch when it comes to spicy shit, and I can't even eat jalapeno chips. But very good. Like the meatballs are made of like mushrooms and stuff like that. So now I'm gonna try the avocado toast, and there's like red things on it, so I'm hoping it's not spicy.
Like chili flakes.
What? It's avocado toast. Like my lips kind of burn from eating the spaghetti. 10 out of 10 would recommend this place though. Like we're 5 minutes in eating this thing, and like I'm sweating because like as I told you guys, I'm like a little pussy when it comes to eating spicy food, and my mouth burns. Why am I such a pussy? I'm not taking this shit to go. It's so spicy. Like, it's spicy to this point where like I'm just kind of not enjoying it anymore, so we're kind of done with that. She's dying too. This place is so cute, and then they even have like a wooden door. Like, how bougie is this shit? Oh my god, the lighting is so good right now. I'm not even wearing any face makeup, and I don't look like trash. This is the first. We're walking to the LRT station so we can go home.
Shower, because we stink.
For real though. Alright, so it is 9:55, and I got home like 2 hours ago. But right now I'm just editing this vlog right now on the iMac. I don't really think I'm gonna do anything else. I'm probably just gonna watch YouTube videos and finish editing this vlog.
Hello. Hey, let's go. I'm hungry.
Leighton, what do you want to say?
Hello. Hello.
So I know I ended the
Name's
vlog
Mo.
like 3 hours ago, but it's 12:37, and then this is my first time meeting this guy, this girl, this guy, and then the girl right there, and then I think I've met this guy once in my life, and I really hope they don't kidnap me.
What the fuck?
We're at the same McDonald's that we were at in the last vlog when I went to McDonald's.
Large iced tea.
He's sitting in the trunk. Designated prohibited area, no trespassing. What are we doing?
There's people down there.
Oh god, I don't know how this is gonna go. I don't even have a flashlight.
You got this. There we go.
Oh my god.
Oh, that hurts. Yes! Fuck!
I'm wearing Bert.
Ah! Move. Oh my god.
That's not for me.
Oh my god. I'm good. Guys, right now we're at the end of the world, and apparently there's people in the bush right now, so like if you guys
I feel like we should walk with them.
if you guys don't see me, it's because I died. It's really because I died out here, okay? So like, rest in peace. Thanks for. Oh my god, I fell. I fell. Oh my god. I thought we were gonna die out there. We are both going down. We went down. Me and Hudson are going into Shoppers Drug Mart right now, and I have dirt. Oh fuck, this door's not on it. What the fuck? Oh. I have a big problem with doors. I have dirt all over my jeans. If you guys aren't following my social medias yet, especially Instagram, go do that. On my main Instagram and really my spam account, I post a lot of like behind the scenes and just like what I'm doing all the time. So go follow those. They're on the screen right there. And until next time, peace. That wasn't closed.